Okay. Is everyone confused? Ah! That is a beast of legend! That thing was big! Okay, the other guy was a giant whip. That thing was huge! Go! Good golly, that thing was gigantic! God damn it! Holy balls! I have a gun! What is that? What is that? What is that? What is that? Bathroom! Ah! No! Piff! Oh, here! The door is locked! F off! Where is he? Where is he? He's gonna get me! He's gonna get me! He's gonna get me and run in front of me! Ah! Why? Why? No! Open! Screw you! Go away! Give it to me! Oh, fuck you! You come closer, buddy! You come closer! You gonna give me a hug? What was that? Green light! Red light! Green light! Red light! Green light! Red light! Red light! Red light! Locked on target! Run! Gonna murder you! Oh, God damn it! Oh, what are you? Oh, God! No, get away! Oh, fuck off! Oh, God! Go away, go away, go away, go away! Holy balls! Get out, get out, get out, get out, get out! Get out!
Talk to him.
I don't care! Get out of him! Jesus, get out of here! I knew that was a trap! Piff! Hi. What is it? What is it? Where is it? Whoa, what are you? Oh, God! Oh, fake! Batman! Oh, I see you! Oh, you are right up! Oh, you're moving! Static figure. I'll go in the gold! Oh! Piff!
Very, very nice.
Uh-huh. Oh, no, you're gonna get me! Run! Get away, get away, get away, get away! I saw one! Run! Run! Oh, it's locked! No, I'm boned, it right behind me! It's right behind me! It's locked! God, no, fuck! No, not a pull! Point of no return! Ow! Oh. Why? Get out of it! Get fucking out of it! Piff! Go away! Jesus balls! Holy fuck! Oh, come on, no! Oh, you son of a bitch! Why am I in here? Oh, Yummy Mash. Oh, why that picture too? Oh, God damn it! It's kind of okay. Everybody do the dinosaur. No! Oh, you son of a bitch, go away! What the fuck? Get away, get away, get away, get away! You son of a bitch! No! Holy ball! Go away, go away, go away, go away, go away, go! What the fuck was that? What was that? Oh no! It's something. Ah! Holy balls! What the hell are you? Oh, come on! Oh God! I have a chair! Oh, don't you come down here, you bitch! I will snap your fucking wings off like a twig, bro! I'm not going in there. Ah! Balls! Fuck! Ah! Whoa! 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 Oh, hey! Oh, condition! No! No! Fuck you! Holy balls! Julie! Oh, you're so wrong! You're so wrong in so many ways! Oh, this isn't gonna help me! Oh, I'm so boned! I'm in a room where I'm not supposed to be! Ah! Mm-hmm. Stuff it in your ow! Ah! Jesus, fuck you! Feed me a push! And not a push! God damn it! Fuck you! Run! Ah! Fuck you! Give me the key! Ah! Where am I going? I don't even see anything! Run! Run! Ah! What? Ah! Ah! Jesus balls! Ah! Oh my God! Jesus Christ! What the fuck? Guys! Oh! Hey! Stop it! Jesus! Poof! Come on! Still no bodies. Click, click. Ah! I got the picture! Run! Turn on your light! Ah! No! The ocean! I found the ocean! Go away! I hear you! Ah! Got lost in the trees! Ah! No! Ah! Ah! Get away! Get away! Get away! Get away! Jesus balls! Get off of me! Ah! Run, you stupid a-hole! Run! Ah, no! Pokeball! Ah! That was not a Pokeball! That was a monster! Oh, that was a Pokeball! That was a monster! Ah! What the hell was that? Yeah, yeah! Ah! Fuck you! No! Sprint! Keep going! No! I'm so close! No! Go, 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 go! Go, lady, go! I want to know. Ah! Kill me! Ah! What is it? What is it? I want to see it! Show it to me! Ah! Ah! Hey! Ah! It's gonna get me! Ah! What the shit? You kidding me? And here! Ah! Close it down there! Yeah, I'm gonna be right in there! Ah! 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 You son of a bitch! Why don't you just decide it's not gonna be? No! I ran right towards it! Ah! Oh my God! No! Ah! No! 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 Oh! Good timing, though. What? Uh-oh. Ah! Oh, fuck. Yes! Poof! Ah! Running away! Running away as fast as I can! Jesus balls! All the bodies! Ah! Do not proceed! Oh, that scared me worse than that skull! Ah! Run! Run! Get out! Ah! What the hell? I know a friend! I'm a big baby! I cry like a baby! What the fuck was that? Go to hell and you die! No, thank you! Ah! 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 Ah, fuck you, get me up! Get me up there! What? No. No! Yes, no! Ah! No! Go away! Fuck you! I'm up! Ah, there he is! He's there! I think I'm supposed to go that way! But I'm gonna go this way! Ah! You're behind me! Ah! What the hell is going on? No, not a pole! Fuck you! What the hell are we running from? Ah! Come on, last one! Oh, Jesus balls! Fuck off! I didn't even notice them! Why didn't I get any warnings? Ah! God damn it! Fuck you! Set these here! Oh! Oh, what is that? I saw something in the darkness! Ah! Oh! 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 Don't turn around, don't stop! Ah! Oh! No! What the hell? Ah! Ah! Run from what? Ah! Ah! Get away! Go away! Ah! What are you? What's going? Where'd you go? Why? Ah! Ah! Oh, come on! But he didn't even get close to me! Fuck that! Fuck everything about that! No! 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 I'm not wearing any pants because I know that I'm about to crap them. Oh no! Oh no! You son of a bitch, I'll kill you! Ah! I'm free! Ah! What are you? Are you a lumberjack? Holy balls, look at you! I hear you! No! Don't kill me! I hear you! Ah, God! You son of a bitch, you said there'd be cheese! I don't want it back! Meh. Who's behind me? Ah ha! You're stuck! Ha ha ha! Ah! Who's behind me? Someone went behind me! I knew it! Ah! What the hell is that? Baby! Ah! Why? I was helping your baby! Who's behind me? Who's behind me? I'm irresistible even to the monster ladies. They all want a piece of Markiplier. No, 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 don't kill me, don't kill me, don't kill me! Teddy bear, tell me your secret! Am I dead? What? This was in the basement the whole time? When I'm in a high-stress situation, I'm trying to get... Hey! You son of bitch! Hey, stop it! What's with all this weirdness? Hey, kid. I've made a loop. What was that? Say what? Ah, my body is ready! Oh. Key, how conveniently placed. Wait a minute. Oh, I want popcorn! No reason to panic! That's not cool, bruh! Not cool, bruh. Excuse me! Can you turn the lights back on? Whoop, 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 I'm gonna die. Aha! Yeah! Ah! Ah! Holy balls, you're faster now! What the hell? You're not supposed to be faster! Why are you faster? That's not good! Ah! Oh. Alright, come here. Boom! Double finger defense! Oh, made you think twice about that one! Yeah, that's right, get back! Run off! You cannot conquer this! I am too pro! Hey, it worked! Oh, you want another taste of this? You can't beat- yeah, that's right! Turn around! You're so dumb. I can't believe this is working! Ooh, only one? Only one? No! I should've used both! I should've used both!